हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम एक क्लासिक प्रॉब्लम करने जा रहे हैं। इट्स मोस्ट कॉमन इंटरव्यू प्रॉब्लम एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द इंटरव्यूअर विल आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन। मोस्टली हर एक इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन पूछते ही पूछता है। सो मेक श्योर टू लर्न दिस। हम जावा स्ट्रीम्स पे जावा 8 फीचर्स पे एक अच्छी प्रॉब्लम करने जा रहे हैं। सो प्रॉब्लम इज दिस: you have given the list of student, each student having the list of marks. You have to sort the student first by the name in the ascending order, and if the name is same, then by the total marks in the descending order. So this is the problem, and mostly sorting related problem. You will be asked. बहुत कॉमन है sorting related प्रॉब्लम इंटरव्यू में। बहुत इंटरव्यू पूछते हैं, और इस एक प्रॉब्लम के अंदर हमने सारी कॉम्बिनेशंस कवर किए हैं। तो लेट्स understand this. How we will approach this is we will use the we will use the comparator with Java 8 streams. Okay, हम comparator use करेंगे Java 8 streams के साथ। एंड बहुत कॉमन प्रॉब्लम है sorting की। तो पहले इस प्रॉब्लम को अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं। So to make it understand better, what I have done is this: the list of students I have created and the total marks I have created. Okay, so लेट्स सॉर्ट इट। हमें सॉर्ट कैसे करना है? आपने जनरली वेबसाइट्स पे देखा होगा कि हम मल्टीपल कॉलम्स के साथ सॉर्ट कर सकते हैं। तो लेट्स सॉर्ट इट विद द मल्टीपल कॉलम। तो देयर कैन बी टू स्टूडेंट्स नेम इज सेम। So here, like Shubham name is same, Satyam name is same. So I will sort it. So let me sort range advanced. So sort column A to Z. Yeah, ascending order. I want to sort. Add another column, column B. This one I want to sort it in descending order. This is important. तो अभी अंडरस्टैंड के लिए हम इसे एक्सेल में देख रहे हैं। ऐसे हम यूआई पे बहुत सारी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है कि मल्टीपल कॉलम्स के साथ सॉर्ट करना है। अब इसको हम जावा में देखेंगे। So we have to sort on the column A name in the ascending order, and with the column B the total marks in the descending order. So see, I have sorted it. So see, comes name in the name in the first, so it's total marks. Now then come the name is here Satyam. Satyam, the marks is 508. So see, here two Satyam came, but the first one comes with the higher marks, and then with the second one with the low marks. So this is the sorting by the two columns. We are sorting by the two columns. Name is the first one. Name in the ascending order. If name are same, then by the column in the descending order. So how we can do this in Java? We will see it quickly. So let's jump to the Java solution. So here I will show you quickly how I have designed the student class. So there is name, string name, and then their total marks, list of marks. Okay. So these are the two fields. Now this is just the constructor, and this is the method which I have created, mock student list, which is returning the optional list of the student. So optional I made it because I want to continue whatever we have learned till now. I want to continue into the next. Okay. So this is the list of students, mock students list I have created, and random marks is there, and then their name is there. So it's just a random, no connection with the real names. So okay, and now I have overwritten the toString method so that in the print we can see it properly. So in the toString we will see the name and the total marks. Okay. So this is the student class. Just two things are there: name and their marks, list of marks, and this is the mock student list. I'm returning this mock student list. Okay. So let's jump to the solution. So how the solution will look? Will this is we will get the mock student list. If it is not there, remember what else I have used. Just to use the empty array list, which will do nothing. Now I have streamed on this, and I have used the method sorted. Will take comparator as an input. So we'll see what is the comparator. Comparator is this thing. Comparator. Let's say we want to take the student comparator. Sort student, let's say, and then we can have that like two students, student A and student B, and then this is our comparator. Okay, so this will be our comparator. So comparator is nothing. It will take the two input arguments for the type of the here our generic type is student, and then we will write our logic how to sort it. So this is important, like how we will write our logic to sort it. So this is nothing but the comparator from here to, so this is nothing, just a comparator from here to here. This is the comparator which we will implement. So how we will write our sorting logic inside the comparator, we have to see. So, and I will remove the comparator here. So see, here two arguments are there. To both are the student of our list, student A and student B. Now I will compare the student A dot get name compared to student B dot get. So see, name compare. What I told first is we have to compare the we have to assign we have to do the ascending sorting for the name based on their names. ओके, तो हम नाम से पहले असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में सॉर्ट करें. तो स्टूडेंट ए डॉट गेट नेम कंपेयर टू स्टूडेंट बी डॉट गेट नेम, ये हमने नेम से सॉर्ट किया पहले. अगर ये जीरो है, अगर ये नॉट जीरो है, तो हम सीधे नेम से नेम ही रिटर्न कर देंगे, नेम कंपेयर ही रिटर्न कर देंगे. तो हमने यहाँ पे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज ये कि हमने ना पहला स्टूडेंट को स्टूडेंट दूसरे स्टूडेंट से कंपेयर किए. तो अगर ये डिक्शनरी में लिक्सोग्राफिकल ऑर्डर में असेंडिंग में है, तो ये पॉजिटिव नंबर रिटर्न करेगा. अगर ये नेगेटिव है, तो ये नेगेटिव नंबर. अगर ये डिसेंडिंग में मतलब कि ये बड़ा है, ये ये छोटा है, तो ये ऑटोमेटिकली नेगेटिव नंबर रिटर्न करेगा. और अगर ये बड़ा है लेक्सोग्राफिकल में और ये छोटा है, तो ये ऑटोमेटिकली पॉजिटिव नंबर रिटर्न करेगा. तो अगर ये नॉट इक्वल टू जीरो, तो हम एज इट इज ये रिटर्न कर सकते हैं नहीं, क्योंकि हमें पहला वाला असेंडिंग ऑर्डर नहीं चाहिए. तो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में हम सीधे स्टूडेंट ए को स्टूडेंट बी से कंपेयर करें. नो एल्स पार्ट में क्या, अगर ये जीरो है, अगर ये जीरो है मतलब दोनों नेम सेम है, दैट विल बी द कंडीशन. अगर दोनों नेम सेम है, स्टूडेंट ए कंपेयर टू स्टूडेंट बी, ये तभी होगा जब दोनों नाम सेम हो. इफ बोथ नेम्स आर सेम, then what will happen? It will go to the else part. Else part में what I am doing is I am extracting total marks, and then I am doing the sum. I am reducing it. I am getting the total sum. It is just nothing. It's an accumulator. It will accumulate the current value to the total value, and it will keep returning. So यहाँ पे I will get the total marks of A, total marks of B. Now I am comparing. If now see, to make it into the descending order, I am comparing the marks of B with the marks of A. If marks of B is greater than marks of A, then return. So ये descending हो गया. अब मैं इसको पहले ले रहा हूँ एंड इसको बाद में ले रहा हूँ, तो ये descending हो गया. If marks of B is greater than marks of A, then return 1, else return -1. So let me run it quickly. Let's see the output. See. So Ajay comes the first. We will compare with the Excel. Ajay comes the first because Ajay is the ascending order first one. And Marks is 438. Marks is 438. Yeah. Kamal comes the second. Marks is 428. Kamal comes the second. Marks is 428. And then Satyam comes the second, third, which is 508 marks. See, Satyam comes the third with the marks of 508, and then the 378, 488, 466, right? Then Shubham comes, see, then again Satyam comes with the 378. Thus, the other student with the lesser marks. So two students can have same name. So this student with the lesser mark, and then Shubham comes with the 488, and then again the Shubham comes with the 466. So see, exactly the same output which we can see here. So how we have achieved is, that is the main thing. We have implemented the comparator. So comparator first by their uh, name, and then by their marks, total marks. So that you can write, and you can use. There are multiple ways to sort it. The main thing is you should, how you can write the comparator. You should know. So we can have like A student and then B student, and then how we can sort it. That logic is the main thing. So first you will compare. First, how you will do? First you will compare with the A dot get name compare to b dot get name. So this is the main thing. You can store, you can consider it like an int number. Okay. Int some number. And then if the name is same, if the name is same, it will be equals to zero here, as I've shown. And if the name is same, then we will this value will equals to zero. We will go to the else part, and then we will compare based on the total marks. So we will extract the total marks, and then we will compare. Since we have to do the descending order here, we will first see the total marks of B, and then come with the total marks of A. If it's greater, marks of B is greater, then we will return positive one. Here it is vice versa. Here, if the name of A is compared to name of B returns the positive thing, then we will return that. But here it's a vice versa. So because we want to sort it into the descending order, so we will take the second argument first and then the first argument and return it accordingly. Okay, if it's greater, we will return positive here because it will sort it into descending order, and then if it's same, अगर दोनों बराबर है या if it's marks of A is greater than the marks of B, then return the same. As simple as that. So we have our main focus should be like how we will implement the comparator. Then we can use the collections of sort also. We will see later on how we can use the collections of sort. We can use the collections of sort and see. The second one we can pass our comparator. So we first thing is we have to define our comparator. So hope friends you enjoyed this video. Most of the interview will ask you this question, sorting based on the single column, multiple column, एंड इसका यूआई में बहुत यूज आता है मल्टीपल कॉलम्स हम दो नाम से ना जनरली एक ऑपरेटर और या लेट्स से स्कूल टीचर वांट्स टू सी द सॉर्टेड मार्क्स इन द यूआई ऑफ द स्कूल वेबसाइट तो जनरली वो यहाँ पे अगर आपने देखा होगा वेबसाइट डिजाइनिंग वी विल सी दिस लेटर ऑन तो वो दो नाम से वो दो कॉलम से सॉर्ट कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे अभी ये दो कॉलम से सॉर्टेड है so hope friend you enjoyed this video. We'll come with the further videos on more Java 8 features. We'll cover entire things with the questions like this. तो questions से easily understand आता है तो हम we'll see we'll meet soon. Have fun.